Well, quick update from Overbury Harvest Log Day 14, and it's Friday the 13th. Yeah, we are down on the heavier land. This is the Evesham series clay. We're in some Crusoe, which should be a milling wheat, but slightly concerned looking at our protein meter, our crop scanner, that the protein levels are not going to meet the specification. This is the oranges, which are sort of 10.5 to 11, so quite a long way away from the 13% that's required, and I think part of that is to do with the yield that we're actually achieving here at the moment, and probably because we slightly underdid the nitrogen, based on the assessments and the yield that we're getting. It sort of had a bit of a dilution effect. I think it's probably partly that. I think it might also be slightly weather related, lack of sunshine till the end of the grain fill. Maybe didn't get a chance to mobilise enough nitrogen up into the field, so up into the crops and into the grains. So yeah, this is where we are. It is yielding well, so that is a bonus. Dull overcast day, dull overcast fortnight, which is making combining hard work. We're having to dry everything back at the grain store, but at least we're able to cut. It's not raining, and we'll be able to keep pushing on. This is quite a bit of a wet patch just up here. Used to be an old railway line that runs through kind of these bushes here, that goes across where it's wet, and disappears further down into the corner of the field there. So I just tend to lie a little bit wet in some of these areas. We had the wettest winter for a long time this last year, and it just has a bit of an effect on some of these fields. But yeah, that's where we are. Harvest pushing on.